Okay, so if you scratch your GoPro case lens, as you can see I have here, first thing you need to do is go buy the lens replacement kit from GoPro. I got mine here at Cycle Gear for $19.99. Camera won't focus. And it includes 2 replacement glass lenses for the protective case, 2 seals, the screws you'll need, and a screwdriver to get the old screws out. So now what you need to do is remove all the screws around the lens retainer. Okay, once you remove all the screws, you can take the retaining ring off. And now the glass lens will come loose. This one got the seal stuck to it. So you can remove that, but the new lens kit comes with a new seal and a new lens. Let's take a look at that. Come wrapped in foam, so this is the lens in there. Here's the new seal. Let's get this new lens out of the package. Okay. You want to take the seal. You can see there's a ridge on the inside edge of one side, and that ridge goes into the curved part of the inside of the lens. Just like that, with the ridge down. Then you simply place it back. Put your retaining ring back on. Line up the screw holes. And you just screw your screws back in. I'm going to reuse the old ones. And you want to tighten these down evenly, not too tight, but tighten them down evenly. Don't do one all the way tight and then start your next screw. You'll get a bad seal. You want it to come down straight down evenly, the retaining ring. So let me do that real quick. Okay, after you have all your screws snug down pretty good, go around and do a star pattern and tighten them up the last little bit. And go from one screw to the farthest screw from that screw. So from here I went to here. I'll go to here. Next farthest screw to here. I'll go to the next farthest screw here. And the next farthest screw. Now we have successfully replaced the scratched GoPro case lens. Scratch. Landed on some concrete. Now it's all better. So for $19.95, you can get a new GoPro case lens. That's pretty easy.